where do we go in the human body and find the organ that produces electricity? We find that it's the brain. The brain is the center of motor. The nervous system is the conduit that carries the electricity to various points of the body to cause motion. Now,
the human body needs a reliable supply of energy to power our muscles, organs, and especially our thoughts. The brain uses more energy than any other organ.
What is the composition of the brain? It is made up of what? Carbon and copper. The pineal gland is carbon, and the cerebral cortex, copper. That produces electricity. All you find is copper and carbon. No melanin.
Using 20% of the body's total energy to power brain function. Energy is generated by mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of our cells.
The only thing that produces electricity, is the friction of copper and carbon.
This is because they are much more than powerhouses. They are important hubs that regulate critical biochemical pathways involved in tasks like memory and learning.
Take out your generator and see what it has inside.
They require high mitochondrial density for proper communication.
That touches against it when it turns. It is spinning at only 90 revolutions per minute.
Understand this process. A growing body of evidence.
There are carbon brushes, and this is what you see.
A mitochondrial diagnostic tool.
The spinning of the copper wheel against the carbon brush creates a friction.
Your mitochondria, it is your source of energy.
That friction is called resonance. Resonance is electricity, not electrons. Resonance. The resonance produces the electrons, not before.
Mitochondria literally is your powerhouse for everything. It's in your liver, it's in your lungs, it's in your heart, it's in your brain.
The CHO chain is the chain of life. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Melanin has no place in that biochemical structure.
So, what can we do?
So I'm very extremely sorry.
Okay. As my hormones shift, that plyometrics is actually super helpful. Is still extremely important. Got it?
Melanin has no place. It's not to be found. What is found in the body that is attributed to melanin is carbon.